Welcome to our tutorial on how to unmute notifications from people you don't follow on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open Twitter on your PC and log into your account. Step 2. On the left side of the page, navigate to the Notifications tab to access your notification settings. Step 3. Look for the settings icon, usually located in the top right corner, and click on it to open the settings menu. Step 4. Within the settings menu, select Filters and then choose Muted Notifications to adjust your notification preferences. Step 5. In the Muted Notifications section, find the option You Don't Follow and uncheck the box next to it to unmute notifications from people you don't follow. By following these steps, you can easily unmute notifications from users you don't follow on Twitter, enabling you to engage with a wider range of content and conversations. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in showing you how to unmute notifications from people you don't follow on Twitter using your PC. Enjoy a more diverse and interactive notification experience.